Milo observes the garden. Milo was a cat with a coat as white as a cloud and ears that twitched at the slightest sound. He lived in a house with a large glass door that looked out into the garden. The morning sun, every morning. Milo began his day by stretching. First, he reached his front paws out far, spreading his toes wide. Then, he arched his back like a bridge. Finally, he sat very still. He noticed a small patch of yellow light on the wooden floor. It was the sun. Milo stepped into the light. He felt the warmth on his fur. It wasn't hot, it was just right. He sat in the circle of sun and closed his eyes, listening. Tick, 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 went the kitchen clock. Swoosh went the wind in the trees outside. Chirp went a bird on the fence. The great exploration. Milo's curiosity led him to the door. Through the glass, he saw something moving in the grass. It was small and bright red with black dots. Milo stepped outside. The grass felt cool and a little damp against his paws. He walked slowly, lifting one paw at a time, making no sound at all. He reached the red insecta ladybug. The ladybug climbed to the very tip of a blade of grass. Milo lowered his head. He didn't pounce. He just watched. The ladybug spread its tiny wings and flew away. Milo turned his head, following its flight until it was just a tiny speck in the sky. The scent of the lavender next, Milo walked toward a purple bush. This was lavender. He leaned in and sniffed. It smelled fresh and earthy. He rubbed his cheek against the stems. They felt a little rough, but they made the air smell even sweeter. Behind the lavender, Milo found a smooth, gray stone. He touched it with his paw. It was hard and cool because it had been sitting in the shade. Milo decided this was a good place to rest. Returning home, as the sun climbed higher in the sky, Milo felt his tummy give a tiny rumble. He knew it was time to go back inside. He walked back across the grass, through the door, and straight to his ceramic water bowl. Lap, 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 lap. The water was clear and refreshing. Milo settled down on his rug. He had seen the sun, met a ladybug, and smelled the lavender. His curiosity was satisfied for now. He tucked his paws under his chest, purred a low, steady song, and fell fast asleep.